The Boston Bruins are going to sweep the Toronto Maple Leafs.
Series is the Boston Bruins in 6 games.
Last year it took 7 games. 2 100-point teams ready to go at it again. What do you expect of the
It's going to be a challenge, but I think everybody in the locker room's hungry. We want to go in and be ready from the very first game and definitely send a message early.
I mean, we know what we need to do in this room to be successful.
Got the North Star guiding me. It's the fire burning inside of me. No, I don't need a miracle. I got something far more powerful. And in this collective, I've got a brand new perspective. So lose that might break the tension. Can't walk on water, but I'm walking through an intersection. All aboard, I heard my brother say. All aboard, like it's some parade. That's me. I'm knocking at the door. I'm thirsty for more, for more, for more. That's me.
Here comes Pasternak, stopped by Anderson.
Chances that the Bruins had here in the third period. Martian.
When the power's with people, I don't get pessimistic. Standing shoulder to shoulder, I hold my head high. Standing shoulder to shoulder as we walk across the finish line. All aboard, I heard my sister sing. All aboard, and bring your offerings. That's me. The door, I'm thirsty for more, for more, for more. That's me.